Hi, we're here in New York at the UN building. I'm here with two heroes, Dr. Joan from Sierra Leone and Christine, who's a mummy blogger from the UK. First, Dr. Joan, what brings you here?
Okay, I'm here as a partner of Save the Children. I'm here to advocate for health workers and also for women and children.
And tell us about some of the work that you do in Sierra Leone.
I am a nurse midwife educator. I teach midwife, and I'm also president of the Sierra Leone Midwives Association. I advocate for women and children and also for health workers. We need to have more midwives and health workers to give care to women and children, so we need more.
Thank you. I just think Dr. Joan's work is so important. I remember with my own kids being born how health workers really save lives, and having you here telling that story is just...
I gave birth to my fourth child at home, and I had two midwives in attendance. And birth was fantastic, but then my placenta decided it wasn't going to leave, and I was rushed to hospital in an ambulance, and it was pummeled down to me, and I know that if I hadn't had that access to healthcare, the probability was that I would die.
Wow, so you owe your life to health work. About the work that you do now as a mummy blogger for Save the Children, what does that mean?
I went to Mozambique with Save the Children, and we blogged for the vaccination campaign. And what I'm basically doing is whipping up an online storm to get lots of people's voices heard, so that politicians like David Cameron, Andrew Mitchell, who I met, hear the voice of the people calling for change, grassroots change.
And that's what I think it's all about. I mean, I've been in lobby meetings with governments, talking to them, and I know that it only really makes a difference when we have people like you know, cooking up a storm outside, because that's what makes them listen, that's what makes them pay attention. And that's how we bring about change. It isn't just from being in official meetings, it is from activists making a difference. And then ultimately it's about more people like Dr. Joan. We need more heroes like this on the front line. That's the way we're going to save kids' lives. Great, let's get to work, guys.
Yeah, thank you.